Hey you, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am doing another review on a different product today. It is actually a product from MixEasy and I'm super excited to review this product just because it's so cool and so unique and definitely custom to you, which is the best part. So it's actually a skincare line where you get to pick 5 ingredients, which means you're basically customizing your own formula. Yeah, just go on their website, pick which product you want. For me, I got 2 different products. I got the facial cleanser and the eye cream. So let's start with the cleanser first. So we click on the cleanser and then we go into all the products, and as you can see, they have a whole list of products. Now this is the fun part, so just make sure that you are taking your time customizing the ingredients and just making them personal to you. So this is what I chose: the apple fruit extract, dragon's blood extract, propolis extract, however you say that, the Japanese pearl tree bud extract, and the pomegranate extract. Now I just felt like these were best for my skin, and also just the way they sounded really good and interesting. I haven't tried some of these extracts, so I wanted to, try it here because it's my time to shine and customize my own different unique thing. Why not? Now we're just gonna go through the other questions which they need to customize your formula, like the scent you want or what kind of skin you have. Oh, and also you do get to name your own formula, so you always have it forever. That way it just like saved. And then basically you do the same steps for the eye cream. So no matter what, you will always be able to pick your own formula and customize it and make it personal to you. So I really love that. So I named mine Sky Cleanse and Sky Eye. It was catchy. It was on the spot. That's what I thought of first. But yeah, so I always have these 2 formulas forever and ever, and I am so excited to try them out for you guys and give you guys like my full review and full thoughts. So yeah, let's get started. Putting our hair out of our way, I'm just putting it into a little ponytail. Oops, I did not mean for that to happen, but that's basically what's gonna happen, so why not? Just wetting our face a little tiny bit before we apply the product. I just like to get my face a little damp, always before I clean my face with anything. And then we are taking the Sky Cleanse, my personal custom facial cleaner. Oh, by the way, if you guys would like to create your own custom formula, I do have a 15% off discount code for MixEasy. It's Skyler, Kaylin. So yeah, and if you need help finding that, all my discount codes are linked in the description below. So anyways, I love the formula so far. I love the feel, the texture, and the smell, and I love how it's foaming up. It does give you that like extra moisturized feel when you first apply it. It's a little like a slight greasy feeling, but you just rub it in and it just becomes more moisturized, if that makes sense. Now I am rubbing it in with my fingers. Normally I like to use a brush, but I just wanted to see if this cleanser would get in there and clean everything inside my pores. So as you can see, I got it all nice and foamed up, and including my neck. Now we're just going to get that off with a nice wet towel. And yeah, I actually really like the results. It looks nice and fresh, natural glow going on. My skin feels really soft and smooth. So yeah, so far so good, but we'll just sit here and wait to see if there's anything that happens afterwards and focus on the eye cream. So this is my Sky Eye. This is the eye cream that I created, and I love the consistency already. It's like a nice thick gel. It reminds me of my Chanel moisturizer, and I love the way it felt under my eyes just applying it. It was like a nice cooling feel and a nice hydrating feel as well. So I did put a little too much on, so I'm gonna be honest, I kind of just ended up throwing that all over my face, and it was such a nice refreshing and cooling feeling. So I really like that, and I think that it did take away some of my puffiness under my eyes, so that is a plus. And now I can't end any skincare routine no matter what without adding on some gloss. So this is my gloss from SKY Beauty. You can shop this at www.skybbeautyco.com. and that link is also in the description below. So yeah, now we are complete. Okay, so these are my final thoughts. For the face cleanser, which I named Sky Cleanse, I really like this. The smell of it, like, hold on, let me just smell more. Just smells nice and clean, and actually the feeling of it was really nice, and it definitely felt like a deep clean, even though I was just using my fingers, which is why I was just using my fingers, just because I wanted to see if it actually got in there and cleaned me out. I really love the way it left my skin, the way it left my complexion. It just looks nice and clean and fresh, and it does give me that natural glow. Like, look at that natural glow, hey. So yeah, I really like that, and I did use some ingredients that I haven't used before, so I was really excited to try. So I used the apple fruit extract, dragon's blood extract, propolis extract, however you say that, Japanese pongo tree bud extract and pomegranate extract. Yeah, I really do love all 5 ingredients. I think it came out to be like a really nice cleanser. I do want to put on a moisturizer, but that's like normal because whenever I clean my face, I always want to just like lock it in with a moisturizer. Yeah, this definitely does feel like a good cleanser, and I just really love the whole process. Yeah, so far so good. Now let me tell you guys about the eye cream. Now the eye cream, I personally don't really add eye cream into any of my skincare, so that's why I had to try it, just because I was like, you know, eye cream, let's try it. Why not? Let's see if it changes my life. This eye cream, so far, I think it has changed my life. I just love the way it feels, the way it smells, and just like it's so hydrating and moisturizing. The feeling of it is just like a nice cooling gel, and I kind of want to put it all over my face, so I actually might end up putting it all over my face. But so far, I really like just how it made the appearance of my under eyes. And the 5 ingredients that I used for this was the cucumber extracts, the Magellan flower extract, the ginseng extract, and the floral nectar and parsley extract. So yeah, again, these are just like a couple ingredients that I haven't used in my skincare routine, and since I haven't really normally incorporated a eye care into my skincare routine, I figured I would switch it up and try it out, and I really like it. So yeah, I approve of both of these products, and I definitely think you guys should try these out just because it's such a cool process just to like customize your own skincare. Awesome. So yeah, and if you guys want to try it out, I do have a discount code, so definitely go check them out. I'll link my discount code in the description and the link where you can make your own formula down below. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of these products and this review in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Bye clouds, I love you.